Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a super easy al pastor chicken. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by removing the stems from the dry chilies, and you want to remove the stems from both the Ancho chilies and the Guajillo chilies. Now we're going to cook the dry chilies in boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the chilies are very tender. Now we're going to prepare the chicken. I rinse the chicken with cold water and then I pat it dry with paper towels. Now we're going to try to loosen up the skin from the whole chicken without removing the skin or without tearing it apart. So with your hands, just try to open a space in between the skin and the meat of the chicken without tearing the skin apart. After that, now we're just going to season the chicken with salt and pepper on all sides. And you want to season the skin and below the skin of the chicken as well. After that, just set the chicken aside for a minute. Now over here I have the chilies. They are nice and soft, so they are ready. Now we're going to place them in the blender. Just the dry chilies, you can discard the water, you don't need that. So into the blender we will also add in 55 grams of Achiote Paste. You will find the paste in the Mexican aisle of your grocery store. Into the blender we will also add in 3 garlic cloves and 2 bay leaves. And we will also add in 4 cloves. And also add in the dry oregano and the cumin. We will also add in half an onion and 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, together with half a cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of cold water. Now season this with black pepper to taste and salt to taste. And now we're going to blend this on high speed for about 2 minutes or until everything is well blended into a very soft sauce. Once the sauce is ready, taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed. And once you're happy with the flavor, now you can prepare the chicken. Place the chicken in a large bowl or saucepan, and remember we already seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper. Now we're going to strain the red sauce over the chicken. Then massage the chicken really well with the red sauce. You want to massage it really well on all sides. And you want to massage the sauce under the chicken skin and also on the skin of the chicken, and also make sure to add some of the red sauce inside the chicken cavity. And once the chicken is well covered and seasoned with the red sauce, now we're going to marinate the chicken in this sauce in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 2 hours. Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I marinated my chicken overnight. This is how it looks. Now we're going to transfer it into a baking dish, and I'm going to place this small rack inside my baking dish. This will allow the chicken to get an even color on all sides. So now place the chicken on the rack inside the baking dish. And now we're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour or until the chicken is cooked. The cooking time will depend on the size of the chicken, so keep that in mind. And you will know the chicken is well cooked when the internal temperature of the cooked chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is how the chicken looks like when it comes out of the oven. Now we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes and then you can serve it. I'm going to serve my al pastor chicken with a slice of grilled pineapple and some white rice. You can also serve it with avocado slices, and you can drizzle the chicken with some of the cooking liquid. Or if you like it spicy, I really recommend that you serve it with a drizzle of salsa macha. I'll show you how to make that salsa on my next video. It's made with chile de árbol and peanuts. It's so delicious and flavorful, and it goes great with this chicken. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy! To print these and some more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!